5-star service at One Star Drive.
Get noticed in this 2008 Mercedes-Benz SLK Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Mercedes-Benz of Laguna Niguel.
5-star service at One Star Drive.
Visit us at One Star Drive or MBLaguna.com.